This is wild weather. Definitely not what we're used to in April. It's been in the 80s and 90s the last couple of days, and now we have a thunderstorm. This is definitely not April weather. The storm's here. It is windy and raining. Look at that right over in there. It's blowing. That was a good one. Well, guys, no sooner did it begin, it appears to have mostly ended. It was a good, probably 20-minute storm. Now we're back to blue sky. Freaky weather. And that's what's left of it, guys. The storm of the century.